Hi! In front of me is TCL 406 and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by opening Play Store, clicking on the search bar and typing in Samsung voice recorder. Following that, you need to download this free app from this developer, and when it's ready, open it. Then click on Allow and choose Continue. Following that, just tap on Skip at the top right corner. Select Accept and tap on this red button at the bottom to start recording. Then select while using the app in the pop-up. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same middle button. To add a bookmark, unpause your recording first and then click on this icon on the left. Now you can type in wherever you wish to, if you wish to, and hit OK. In order to get rid of your recording right away, pause it and click on this left button, the discard one, to get rid of it. You need to confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you prefer to end it and save it instead, select this check mark on the right. Then hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that my recording was successfully created. To play it, click on it. If you wish to delete it, you need to hold it instead. Tap on this pin at the top right corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you wish to rename it though, hold it again and click on this little icon between heart and pin. Then type in wherever you want to and hit OK. You can also just click on those three dots and click on Rename or Delete options over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!